2021 has been the year of NFTs, with CryptoPunks leading the way, followed by Bored Apes and a few others. Now, some of these NFTs sell upwards of $1 million. So how would you feel if you can get a free NFT? Well, Pepsi is coming out with its own free NFT drops. So in this particular video, we are going to tell you how exactly you can get these NFTs for free of cost directly to your wallet.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. Every day on this channel, I show you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, make sure you hit up the like button and also hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the bell icon, as this will notify you with all the videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss anything related to cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as on the pinned comments, and this is absolutely free of cost. So without further delay, let's jump on straight to the tweet from Pepsi. Now, Pepsi tweeted about 19 hours back that they are coming up with a free NFT drop. Now, we had retweeted it. That is why it is important for you to follow us on Twitter. The link for that is given in the descriptions below, because all the real-time happenings are there on Twitter as well as on our announcements channel. So make sure you follow us on both the places. Now let's jump on to how you can actually claim your free Pepsi NFTs. Now, how you can claim the free NFT, let's try and understand that first. You can claim the free NFT by joining the waitlist. The waitlist will be declared at 12 p.m. EST today. That comes to 10:30 p.m. India time. So make sure you are among one of the top 1893 people who are actually going to get access to these NFTs, because 1893 are the number of NFTs that Pepsi is gonna give out, and they are spread across 6 categories, including microphones, stages, accessories and more, and all of these represent each flavor of Pepsi that they have produced over the years. Now let's try to understand how rare are these NFTs and what are some of the details of these NFTs. Now, the waitlist for the NFT would be done on the 12th of December. That is when it will be declared, and the mint date is the 14th of December. Total number of NFTs will be 1893. 50 will be withheld, so only 1843 people will be getting it. There is no price for this NFT whatsoever, but make sure you hold some Ethereum into your MetaMask wallet. That will enable you to mint the NFT, right? The token type is ERC721 and there are 6 traits in total. So what are those 6 traits? Let's first try to understand that. So those 6 traits are the Pepsi Mic, the stages, the headgear accessories, the face gear accessories, the sound waves and the lens flare. Now, in total, there are 1893 NFTs, with the Pepsi Mics being 10 and the stages being the most common with the total number of 15 NFTs, and the lens flare being the rarest among them with only 1 NFT up for grabs. Now, where will they be listed? They will be listed on rarity.tools very shortly. Now, let's take a quick look on some of the NFT avatars that Pepsi has already released. So these are the top 15 categories of the top 15 mics that they have actually released. It represents all the flavors that Pepsi have represented, right from the blue fire to the hair metal and all the other flavors that they have launched over the years, from icy cool to gold Pepsi and so on and so forth. So these are some of the preview of the NFTs that we can actually claim. Now, how you can actually claim your free NFT, let's try to understand that. Now, in order to get the free NFT, you need to get into the waitlist. And how you can get into the waitlist? So the Pepsi will share the link to the waitlist on Twitter on December 10th, 2021, 4 days prior to the NFT launch. The first 1843 people to fill out the form with the necessary information will have the opportunity to mint the NFTs on the launch date, and the launch date is on 14th of December. Now 50 NFTs will be withheld by Pepsi because they want to share it at a later point of time with the community. Now, what information will you need to provide to get on the waitlist form? You will only need to click the button on the website to connect your MetaMask wallet. That is it. Nothing more is required. Simply, there will be a button on this particular website. I'll leave a link to this website in the description below. Make sure you look at that and you just open MetaMask from your Chrome portal and and just connect it. It's as simple as that, and you have entered the waitlist form. Now, how would you come to know that if you are added successfully to the waitlist? Now, on the day of the NFT launch, you will be able to connect your wallet to the Pepsi Mic Drop NFT website. Once connected, you will see a mint button if you were successfully added to the waitlist. Now, if you are not one of the top 1843 people to get to these NFTs, then of course there will not be a mint button on your NFT. Now, for people who are not aware of how you can actually mint your NFTs, let's take a quick look on that. So how do you actually mint your NFT? If you are successfully added to the waitlist, the NFTs will be available to mint for free. But remember, there will be gas charge that you will need to pay. So please make sure you have Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet. Then you will simply be asked to connect your MetaMask wallet to the website, complete the transaction, and the NFT will be transferred to that particular wallet. Any Pepsi Mic Drop NFTs that are not minted from the waitlisted address during the 48-hour mint window will be available to mint during a public launch on 16th of December. So out of these 1843 NFTs that Pepsi is giving away, if any NFTs are not minted by any whitelisted individual, then that NFT would be available for the public to be minted on the 16th of this month. Now, the important question is how you can actually make money from this free NFT, or how you can actually sell the NFT. Now, you can sell this NFT by simply listing your NFT on any of the secondary marketplaces which support Ethereum network. Some of them includes the likes of OpenSea and Rarity.tools. You can find about other NFT marketplaces as well. So in short, the process is very simple. You need to just connect your MetaMask wallet to this website on 10:30 p.m. India time, that is 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And when you connect, if you are among the top 1843 members, you will come to know that you have been whitelisted on the 14th of this month, and then you can go ahead and cash out your NFTs if you want. So it's very, very easy. For people who do not know how to set up the MetaMask, then you can go to metamask.io. Then you can click on download now. After you click on download now, you will be redirected to this page. You will be asked to install MetaMask either for Chrome, or if you are on your phone, it could be your iOS or Android. If you are on your laptop, you will be asked to install MetaMask for Chrome, and a Chrome extension will be installed. Make sure you keep a note of the 12-word secret phrase, because if you sometime lose out on the password or you forget the password, you will be actually required to punch in this 12-word secret phrase, and then only you will have access to the MetaMask wallet. So I am very, very excited about this particular airdrop from Pepsi, because I think this is just the beginning for bigger brands like Pepsi, Adidas, Nike, and few others to just start entering into the NFT world, right? There will be many other brands, according to me, which will soon enter the NFT world, and there is a lot of chances for people like us to claim some free NFTs as well. So if you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon. Also, do not forget to join us on Telegram, and also make sure you join us on our Telegram announcements channel as well, because that is where we keep you up to date from all the real-time happenings, as well as on Twitter. All of the links are provided in the description below. So thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself, and go for it, guys. Go and get the Pepsi NFTs. Bye bye for now.